So this one's a quick tutorial on your team. It just seems like something that you might want to update not often, sorry, more regularly than other pages. People come, people go. You want to click it. Anytime you're in the editor and you click the background once, it'll expand it so you can just see everything. And you see the various images you have here. And these are made up. Again, remember the column system. So 12's full screen. So you have the meter team, that information 12. And now you have 3, which is a quarter of 12. So images fall in 1/4, and then 9 is 3/4. And there's the name, their title, and more information. And if the image is bigger, it'll response down, and that's something throughout the whole site, responsive from desktop to mobile. 3 is always going to be a quarter. And so if we go back to the view here, you saw the 2 images are slightly different because they were just given to me at different sizes. They still end up being a quarter, and then the rest is, and that's the way to add consistency. So they're not all these various size images and stuff. But here you can say if you want to take a whole person out, you would come and again click this here, and you would do it. Let's just go here. This is the gap, the space, and so you would take from column 3 all the way to the end of that, and maybe even that gap too. So you take all this out, that person's gone. You can save it, you can add them back, you can do whatever you want. And so we'll go to view. I won't save this. It was more just because that's a very specific page that probably gets updated a bit more often. So we'll stop that recording.